What you're looking at was once raw garlic. But how does it become this powder?
Clear the chute on your side. All right, keep it flowing. We're almost done here. We need to adjust the brushes on the left side.
Okay, I will check the alignment now.
Peeling without damaging the cloves. Preparing cloves for faster dehydration.
Everything is ready for the oven.
Set it to 95 degrees Celsius for optimal drying.
Confirmed. Temperature is stabilizing now.
The moisture levels in Sector 4 look stable.
Yes, the adjustments we made yesterday are holding. Everything looks secure, ready for sign-off.
Confirmed. The wrap is tight and the count is accurate.
That's the last one for this pallet.
Okay, I've got it initialed. Everything checks out.
For traceability,
Is that tight enough on your side?
Almost. Give it 2 more clicks.
Okay, it's secured.
On their way to stores worldwide.
Is that tight enough on your side?
Almost. Give it 2 more clicks.
Okay, it's secured.
We hit the 95% efficiency mark for the day, which is excellent.
Agreed. The automated assembly line performed better than expected.